How to turn on call barring on Samsung device. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily turn on call barring on your Samsung device or any of your Android device. If you guys didn't know, call barring is a telecommunication feature that allows its user to block specific types of incoming and outgoing calls on their phones. So it can be used for a variety of reasons, including preventing unwanted calls or restricting outgoing calls. You can even manage call expenses and avoid work calls on personal times. So it's a really useful feature. Let's see how you can turn it on or turn it off. First thing first, you will have to open up your default phone dialer and tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Then just tap on settings and it will open up your call settings. Now you will have to go ahead and tap on supplementary services. The setting will be different depending on which device you're using. So this is on Samsung, but if you're using any other Android device, you will find the call barring option somewhere on your settings as well. Now, all you have to do is tap on call barring and tap on voice calls. And here, as you can see, there are many options. So you can block outgoing calls or incoming calls as well. So if you want, you can block all of your outgoing calls or all of your incoming calls. And then you can even block international calls or all of the incoming calls when roaming. So these are all of the available options right here. You can change your call barring password as well. So you'll have to enter your new password here, and previously used password will be set right here. And if you tap on OK, your call barring password will be also changed. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.